Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be reacting to a single which has been released by aespa. This is called Dreams Come True and it says Station. So this is part of I think the SM Station thingy, SMCU Express that I keep seeing on Instagram. So I think we're gonna get more singles from every group that belongs to SM. So I'm actually very excited. And yep, let's watch Dreams Come True. Alright, here we go. Subtitles. Very important. Okay.
You wanna feel the vibe that I'm feeling and loving and imagine 저긴 빨리 looks like tiny we call it destiny 지금부터 하나 둘 셋 하면 모양 보자 그래 come over yeah get it on now get it on now let's bring it back to 90s 내가 원하는 대로 자신 있는 모습 그대로
This doesn't sound like an aespa song. I mean, this doesn't have the aespa sound, you know? This actually bring back the 90s. So this actually sounds like a 90s pop song. This actually sounds like that. Okay. I'm all for it. Is this the first aespa song that I'm gonna add to my playlist finally? It looks like.
지금부터 하나 둘 셋 하면 모양 보자 그래 come over yeah get it on now get it on now let's bring it back to 90s 내가 원하는 대로 자신 있는 모습 그대로
Wow. Okay. I love her vocals. Meaning, her vocal range is amazing. Okay. Firstly, they also look so different because so used to the futuristic concepts now with aespa, and this is all like flowery. So this is completely hatke when it comes to like, because you know we have this image of aespa in our mind, right? Because of their concept, their AI thing and the Kwangwa thing and all of that. But this is completely different. This is another side of aespa. Oh wow, it actually sounds great. I love her vocals. I think Nining's vocals are probably my absolute favorite in aespa. Though everybody has a good vocal range, like Winter's vocal range is also amazing. But I don't know, for some reason, Nining's vocals always catches my ears whenever I've listened to any aespa song. Karina looks unreal, man. She's so pretty. This part is so beautiful. Look at them. They literally look unreal, man. All these four girls, they're so pretty. This stunning. Karina though straight up looks like, you know, some just straight up come out from a comic book. She's that, like her facial features are so perfect, man. Really. Whew, every time I see her, I'm literally in awe. I cannot believe she's real at times when I look at her. But all four girls, they're a nice group. They're actually a nice fourth gen group. Though their music is not very like, I don't particularly relate to their music. I enjoy it and then I move on. I'm like, okay, this is not something that I'll listen to on a regular basis. But this song might change that. This song might change that because this is the kind of song that I prefer. So yeah, but I like this group. They're a nice bunch of girls, and their vocals really go together. Are you seeing these close-ups? Huh? We're gonna see the close-ups again. Oh, what happened? I don't know. Accidentally, I. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Huh? Look how. Oh, I like the beads thing. Oh, that's nice. That's a different kind of hair accessory that Giselle is wearing. I like that. That's different. This probably is going to be my favorite aespa song. Finally, now, of course, they had to give that aespa-esque edge to this thing. Now we have the futuristic concept. Yes, of course. The AIs are here. Nice. Oh, this is a nice song. This is the kind of song I would listen to. Can I just say one thing though? It's a critique. Stop this. It's a critique of on the aespa's concept that I have been thinking about. Is that when Black Mamba came in, and I thought, okay, this was very different because it's four of the girls and four their AI versions and stuff. But I feel as their comebacks happened, I don't think they have, like, SM has really utilized the AI concept that well. I mean, there was like a plethora of things that they could have done with the AI concept. I don't know, is it just me? Or I feel that people who handle aespa, the management over there, they really don't know what to do with the AIs. They really, like, I don't know. I just feel they are just there because initially when aespa was debuting, and the AI thing was much talked about, and it was made to make us feel that the four AI versions are actually part of the group. So it's not literally like it's a 4-member group, it's literally like an 8-member group. But that never happened. Like, really, like, as the comebacks kept happening, I felt that the presence of the avatars over there, it just did not make sense to me. Like, they are not really adding any value to the group per se, or to the storyline or anything, is what I feel. So I think honestly the avatars are a wasted opportunity. They could have done so many things with it. They could have come up with a really cool concept and made the avatars really feel included as part of the group, so that you would feel that they are really like an 8-member group rather than a 4-member group. Even at the end when the avatars came in, even if they were not there, I wouldn't have missed them, to be very honest. But that aside, that is the concept-wise thing. But I love this song. I think this is probably my favorite, most preferred aespa song. After, I think Black Mamba used to be my most favorite. That's that song, their debut song. But now I think it's this one. This is the kind of song I actually prefer or would listen to. And yeah, this was actually a very nice song. And I don't think there is any position of main rapper, main vocalist, because I think all the 4 girls sing and all of them can rap. That's what I think, right? It's right or wrong, huh? Let me know. But overall, they always, as always, look stunning. There is no doubt about that. They're really stunning, man. Like visual wise, this group has the best visuals, I feel. They look, all these four girls look unreal. Especially Karina, so she looks, I get in awe. I'm in complete awe whenever I look at her, honestly. So yes, overall, I enjoyed the song. I really enjoyed the song. I definitely want to know your thoughts, because if you are, used to and you love the actual aespa kind of sound, which you know that it's a little bit, the music is a little bit disoriented and it's very heavy on the beat. I don't know if you like this or not. Honestly, I don't know. But I personally loved it. So yes, that was the reaction to Dreams Come True, a beautiful song. They sound amazing. They look amazing. The video looks great. And yeah, the only thing that I don't understand is the avatars, which I think is, well, like I said, a wasted opportunity. They could have used it in a much better way to make the avatars be a very important part of the storyline, but doesn't. I don't know, I just feel that the management is a little bit lost over there. So let's see. So yes, that was the reaction. I will end the video here. Definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments below. And yep, signing off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye guys.
You are the cause of my euphoria.